5 facts about animals that you probably didn't know about. Number 1. Adult lions pretend to get hurt when their young bites them, just to encourage them. Number 2. Koala fingerprints are so clearly visible that sometimes even the Australian police gets confused at crime scenes due to them. Number 3. Rhinoceros beetles can lift something up to 850 times their own body weight. Number 4. Scorpions can hold their own breaths for up to 6 days. Number 5. Honey badgers are called the most fearless animals as they don't hesitate to attack larger animals, even lions and crocodiles. That explains